Here is how to add a second W-2 in TurboTax, step by step. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the tax return you want to work on. Once the return is open, go to the Federal section, then select Income, and from there choose Wages and Salaries, also labeled W-2. This takes you to the part of the return where your wage forms are managed. When the W-2 area opens, look for the W-2 summary page. This is the page that lists any W-2 forms already entered in your return. Take a moment to confirm that you are in the summary view and not inside one specific form, since the option to add another W-2 appears from the summary page. At the bottom of that page, click Add Another W-2. TurboTax will move to the next screen, which is used to look up your form by employer details. On the screen labeled Get Faster, More Accurate Taxes with W-2 Autofill, enter the Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from Box B of your second W-2. Make sure the EIN matches the form exactly, then click Continue. TurboTax may try to import the W-2 automatically after you enter the EIN. If the import is available and completes, you can continue with the prompts on screen. If TurboTax cannot import the form, choose Type it in myself, then click Continue. This opens the manual entry screens for the second W-2. Now enter the details from the second W-2 exactly as they appear on the form. Fill in the employer information and your employee information. Then enter the wages, the federal tax withholding, the state tax withholding if shown, and any other amounts or codes listed on that W-2. Accuracy matters here, so copy each box carefully and do not combine values from one W-2 with the other. The goal is to enter the second form as its own separate record. After all of the information has been entered, review the form on screen before saving it. Check that the employer name, EIN, wage amounts, withholding amounts, and any state details match the paper or digital W-2 you are using. If something looks off, correct it before you continue. When the review is complete, click Continue to save the second W-2. TurboTax will return you to the W-2 summary page. On that page, verify that both W-2 forms are now listed. You should see the original W-2 along with the second one you just added. Once both appear in the summary, you can move on with the rest of your tax return. Your second W-2 is now added in TurboTax, and both W-2 forms are listed on the W-2 summary page.